Addition and subtraction of similar fractions. Good day, students! Today, we will learn how to add and subtract similar fractions with or without regrouping. So let's begin first in defining what is a fraction in mathematics. In mathematics, fraction is defined as the numerical value that is part of a whole. Example of this is a pizza. Pizza is divided into 4 pieces, so each piece of it is represented as 1/4, where 1 is the numerator and 4 as the denominator. The upper value of a fraction is called the numerator, while the lower value of a fraction is called the denominator. Next, let us know what is a similar fraction. Similar fractions have the same denominator. For example, 1/5 and 3/5. The two fractions have the same denominator. Their denominator is 5.
Let's try to solve the first problem. 1/5 plus 2/5. These fractions are similar fractions. Similar fractions have the same denominator. Now, how do we add them? 1/5 can be represented as a whole, divided into 5 equal parts, where a part is taken, while 2/5 can be represented as a whole, divided into 5 equal parts, where 2 parts are taken. Now, let's add the 2. Let us count the number of parts taken in all. Therefore, there are 3 parts are taken out of 5 equal parts. That was so easy, right? Now, let's observe this equation. How do we add or subtract similar fractions without showing any representation? Very good! The first step is to add or subtract the numerator. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then, we copy the denominator, which is 5. Lastly, we simplify or reduce the fractions into lowest term only if possible. Since 3/5 is already in its lowest term, that's our final answer.
Similar fractions are fractions that have the same denominator. This common denominator allows for straightforward addition or subtraction because you only need to operate on the numerators while keeping the denominator unchanged. These are examples of similar fractions in, in subtraction. Number 1, 3/7 and 5/7. Number 2, 1/4 and 3/4. Number 3, 6/9 and 2/9. In each case, the fractions share a common denominator, 7, 4, and 9, respectively, making them similar fractions. Here's step-by-step demonstration. Here are some examples. Subtract 5/8 from 7 over 8. Ensure the denominators are the same. In this case, both fractions have the denominator 8. After ensuring the denominator, subtract the numerators. In the first fraction, it is 7, the numerator, while the second fraction, it is 5. So 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Keep the denominator the same. The common denominator is 8. And then write the result. The result is 2 over 8. Simplify the fraction if needed. So 2 over 8 can be simplified to 1 over 4.